Hey friends, if you wish to extend the C drive on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Now let me explain the context first. So I have the C drive and I have the D drive, and I wish to allocate some space from the D drive to the C drive or some unallocated space to it. And I can do that, but it's a little complex procedure, but I'll explain this. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type disk mgmt.msc and hit enter. This will open the disk management window. Now expand it. This is the C drive. You can click on it here. You can also click on it here, but it's better to click on it here. If you right click on it, there's an option to extend the volume, but as you can see, it's grayed out. Now, why is it grayed out? It's grayed out because there is no unallocated space. So we will have to delete space from somewhere else and then add it to the C drive. Now we cannot use this, or this. These are the recovery partitions. They are necessary for installing Windows. But we can remove a little bit of space from the D drive, or we can remove the D drive itself. So if you wish to remove it completely, click on delete volume. If you wish to allocate a few GBs from it, a little bit of space from it, then select shrink volume. Okay, so you can shrink a part of this volume by selecting that part and then clicking on shrink. But in my case, I usually prefer to delete the volume because I don't have anything in the D drive. But if you want to shrink a part of it, that's your wish. So I deleted it. Now this part is unallocated. It's unallocated. Okay, it means that there's no drive in it. You won't find it anywhere. There's no drive, nothing. As you can see that my laptop has 1 TB of space, but around 9 GB of it is totally unallocated, and this is the remaining part. So what can we do in that case? Right click on C drive, and now extend volume is not great. It is in black, and you can click on it and then click on next, and then click on next, and then click on finish, and then the space has been allocated here. So it's still showing 942 GB because you'll have to restart your computer. But when you click on this once again, now it's 952 GB. So those 10 GB of unallocated space have been shifted to C drive. Alternatively, you could have also shrunk the volume. In that case, you could have allocated, let's say, 4 GB or 5 GB to the C drive. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and we really need subscribers. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.